Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my best top 5 USB cable video review. Number 1. Ugreen 3A USB Type-C cable. Ugreen 3A USB Type-C cable delivers fast charging and stable data transfer for smartphones, tablets, and USB-C devices. Built with durable materials for long-lasting performance and safe power delivery. Number 2. Braided USB cable for iPhone. Braided USB cable for iPhone supports fast charging and high-speed data sync with USB-C power adapters. Strong connectors and premium cable design ensure reliable daily use. Number 3. Xiaomi Original USB Type-C cable 120W90W67W. Xiaomi Original USB Type-C cable supports ultra-fast charging up to 120W, 90W, and 67W. Designed for Xiaomi and other USB-C devices, it ensures safe, stable, and efficient power transfer. Number 4. Ventile USB Printer Cable USB 3.0 2.0. Ventile USB printer cable offers reliable and interference-free data transmission for printers, scanners, and computers. Compatible with USB 3.0 and 2.0 devices for smooth and stable performance. Number 5. Ventile USB 3.0 Extension Cable USB 3.0 2.0 cable. Ventile USB extension cable extends USB connections with high-speed data transfer and strong signal stability. Supports both USB 3.0 and 2.0 devices, perfect